name is Keith Sewell. I'm the service manager here at Lewis Systems. I've been with the company for 36 years. What we have here is a rotary screw air compressor. This particular model is a belt drive unit. It consists of an electric motor which is driving your air-in pump. The air-in does is it takes air in through the air filter, entrains with the oil. It's discharged into the air oil reservoir. There in the air oil reservoir is where the air and oil is separated. The oil stays entrained in the oil reservoir. The air goes through the air oil separator. From there it's discharged into the aftercooler. The aftercooler takes the air and cools it down, gets it ready for the air dryer. From there it will go into your plant system. On the oil side of the air compressor, it basically, oil is circulated through the air-in pump. The oil carries three different functions. One of the first functions that it carries is it cools. It lubricates and seals all the clearances up. You have the motor up front. This particular model is a belt drive unit, so it's being driven by belts, which drives the air-in portion of the compressor. You also in the front on the you have an electrical cabinet that has a state-of-the-art controller. One of the things it does is monitors your maintenance. Also controls the load-unload pressure of the machine. It has all your safeties, high temperature shutdowns, oil temperature shutdowns, to keep the machine in a safe environment, safe operating environment. The other parts that would play into this is when the air leaves the compressor, it would typically go through a receiver tank. From the receiver tank, it would go into either a Deskin or a refrigerated air dryer, and from there it could go through several banks of filtration. Then it would be suitable for plant use. If we have a customer to purchase this machine, we would in a lot of cases we would go in and deliver, set up, and install the compressor for the customer. Then we do a startup with a factory-trained Gardner Denver service guy, or a Lewis Systems service guy that's Gardner Denver factory-trained. On a machine like this, you would be looking at changing your air filter would be according to the conditions in and around the air compressor, or every 1,000 hours. You also have an oil filter that requires maintenance, and you would change it every 1,000 hours also. You also have an air oil separator. The air oil separator is good for, you want to change it every 4,000 hours or yearly, whichever comes first. The oil is, in this particular model, is an AON semi-synthetic lubricant, which is changed every 4,000 hours.